Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little pack with me. This is an outgoing Valentine's Day swap. This package is for Kayla. She is Kayla's Crafts 830 on Instagram, and we got partnered together in Vanessa Swap, and we had to make several like required things. So the first thing, I made this little vinyl pouch with, I put like heart confetti in there, and then like a sequins mix from my group swap that I hosted. You know what I just realized? I didn't do a shaker on the back. Oops, okay. But anyway, I just stuck a bunch of Daiso goodies in there because I know that Kayla does not have Daisos in her area, or her state at least. So look at, so beautiful, so fun. This little charm was, this little tassel was gifted to me, and then I just added this wire wrapped bead. My friend Crystal gifted me the bead, and I added a little dangle and wire wrapped it and stuff and clipped it. I put an eyelet, and then the Velcro is just covered by one of my flowers that I made. It's gonna go right there, sheep thick. Next is this, a bouquet of flowers. You guys should see my video. It's got the little flowers all laid up. I got this idea from Bona, who is Live Love Scrap. She has a tutorial. Next, we had to make tags. I shared this in a video, and then I just have all the seam binding popping up. I didn't know if we needed to add trim or not, but that's what's in there. Next, these are some store-bought goodies, and then I have a tutorial on how to make just quick, easy little shaker stickers. And I did make this. You guys saw my video. I did go ahead and add this little, look at how cute, this cassette charm. I turned it into a charm. This is from a Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. I bought one of her kits, and it came with those little cassette players. So cute. And then it's got all the little cassettes in there filled with I don't even know. I forgot. Goodies. I had to do a pair of like Valentine's Day socks, so I have some of those in there. This little decorated box, that, and then I have this little box. This has little sequins jars in it with tape, not tape, puffy stuff, so that they don't like explode or crack in transit, because I don't want the glass to break. I just added more of this and some bling bling. This stuff you literally got to fit together like a puzzle, otherwise. Wait, I need some of the heavier stuff. This is actually a makeup tin. My sister gifted me something for Christmas, so I just covered the bottom and the top, and then I made a little band and did sweet treats because we did need to include some candy. So this is filled with chocolates. Okay, I'll do it like that. I like this. Then I have this little chocolate box. I shared the tutorial. I just added a word, puffed it up on some tape, and then added some rolled flowers. Gabby, who is Mommy and Her Four Little Ladies, she made those. This is gonna definitely have to go, okay, perfect right there. And then this is that Dollar Tree container. I just added some washi so it didn't come undone. And I made a bunch of pom-poms using the Dollar Tree foam. And then this, I got this. You guys saw my video for like the little charms and stuff. I just used those to dangle from the side. So, oof, this is looking a little too fat, guys. A little too fat. This is like a little altered trinket dish I did. Customized it with her name. And then this, I have little dangles. We needed to create a dangle. I just stuck it in this box. This is from Andy's store. Then we needed to make a Memdex, so I just made this little guy. It is Adriana Alvarez. It's her 3D like cut file. And I just added some dangles, stitched everything. And then on the inside, I just made a bunch of those little clay disc wire wrap beads with some butterfly beads as well. I can go right here. And then I made, this is those altered little things from Michael's. I just stuck all the handmade bows in there and just decorated the top. They fit perfectly in this little dish. And then we needed to create, I think, 2 bag toppers. So I have a couple bag toppers in here. I think I shared this. This needs to go. These are some store-bought goodies. I don't know how this is gonna fit, you guys. I don't think it's gonna fit. Oh no. And then this is just some store-bought goodies. I just altered the bag by sticking some of these little hearts. Added the bag topper. I cut the bag topper part off. Added a little bell from my stash, which I was reminded to use from the swap I hosted. A little pom-pom. A Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio kit is in here. And then some scissors that I love. And we got some major issues because I don't think this is gonna fit. This is not gonna fit. So you guys get to witness the real life of Happy Meal. This did not fit and I have to put it in a new box. But thank you for watching.